Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best solar panels for camping outdoors. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with DOKIO 220-watt solar panel kit. This solar panel kit comes lightweight and ultra-thin, which will allow you to move with it easily. It also comes with a smart charging intelligence that protects against electrical faults, such as overcharging. Another feature of the DOKIO 220-watt solar panel kit is that it is waterproof and provides excellent portability. It's made of monocrystalline silicon material, provides 220 watts of maximum power, and weighs 10.56 pounds. If you're fascinated by the color, you can choose to get either a red or black DOKIO 220 solar panel kit. Zero Boulder 50-watt solar. Zero Boulder 50-watt solar boasts of tough and durable solar panel that comes with an aluminum frame. Additionally, it has a kickstand that provides ease when setting it up. When using this solar panel, you'll love that it holds a durable design and is weatherproof. It also generates 50 watts of power when connected to a portable power station and can provide electricity to many devices. Anker 625 solar panel. If you're looking forward to charging your heavy-duty appliances on your next camping trip, consider getting the Anker 625 solar panel. It has a USB max output of 5 volts, a weight of 11 pounds, and supports USB-C, USB-A, and XT60. You'll love that it has overpowering protection and contains an integrated sundial. Renogy 12-volt portable solar panel kit. This solar panel kit is capable of providing up to 500 watts, and you'll love it since it can recharge an action camera or cell phone in 2 to 4 hours. Moreover, it comes with a foldable solar suitcase, which is small in size. This small size provides flexibility for camping. Unlike other brands, this model will offer you more power and flexibility, since it has an adjustable kickstand that is easy to set up. Which is the best? Zero Boulder 50-watt solar is the best solar panel for outdoor camping, since it has a tempered glass covering and also comes with an aluminum frame, making it durable. This model is not only weatherproof, but also has a durable design and can generate up to 50 watts. Thanks for watching.